3 और 4।
अब श्री सीपी राधाकृष्णन जी को श्री निशिकांत दुबे जी एक हिमाचली टोपी के साथ सम्मानित करेंगे। और उसके बाद डॉक्टर श्रीकांत शिंदे जी इन्हें शॉल से सम्मानित करेंगे। एंड श्री अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर जी चंबल थाल के साथ सम्मानित करेंगे। श्री राधाकृष्णन जी, अगर आप हम सबको इस इवेंट के बारे में 2 शब्द कहकर थोड़ी सी इस इवेंट पर प्रकाश डालेंगे।
मैं बैठिए प्लीज। महामहिम आदरणीय राज्यपाल महाराष्ट्र आदरणीय सीपी राधाकृष्णन जी, मंच पर उपस्थित सभी नेता और अभिनेता और यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी आदर के योग्य मेरे भाई और बहनों, सबसे पहले तो मैं नेता 11 वर्सेस अभिनेता 11 मैच में महाराष्ट्र के गवर्नर सीपी राधाकृष्णन जी का हृदय तल से बहुत बहुत स्वागत और अभिनंदन करता हूँ। सर, आई वेलकम यू ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ बोथ द टीम्स, parliamentarians and the film stars. We have gathered here to play an awareness match. टीबी मुक्त भारत। दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी टीबी की आबादी भारत में है।
आज होंगे बहुत से और मैचेस, लेकिन मुंबई क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन के क्रिकेट ग्राउंड में जो मैच होने वाला है वो बाकी सबसे यूनिक, बाकी सबसे हटकर है। आमतौर पर क्रिकेट मैच पर क्या होता है, हार जीत के चक्कर में अपने भी पराये हो जाते हैं और अगर कहीं कॉमन ओपोनेंट हो तो फिर पुराने दुश्मन भी अच्छे खासे दोस्त बन जाते हैं। लेकिन यहाँ पर आज कुछ बहुत अलग होने वाला है। ग्राउंड एक है, टीम्स 2 हैं, लेकिन दोनों टीम्स मिलकर एक कॉमन ओपोनेंट को आउट करने की कोशिश कर रही हैं हमेशा हमेशा के लिए भारत से, और वो ओपोनेंट है टीबी। जी हाँ, इस जानलेवा बीमारी के बारे में और अवेयरनेस फैलाने के लिए, उसको जड़ से मुक्त करने के लिए भारत में से इस मैच को खेला जा रहा है। और इसीलिए आज इस मैच में क्रिकेटर्स नहीं नजर आएंगे। यहाँ पर टीम्स होंगी नेताज वर्सेस अभिनेताज। नेताज के कैप्टन है अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर जी, जिन्होंने ये इनिशिएटिव लिया है, जिन्होंने इस इनिशिएटिव को पॉसिबल किया है। उन्हीं की वजह से आज ये मैच पॉसिबल हो पा रहा है। और अभिनेताज की तरफ से कैप्टन होंगे सुनील शेट्टी, जिन्होंने अपने इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल पे बकायदा बोला हुआ है कि क्रिकेट उनका फर्स्ट लव है। थोड़ी देर में मैच शुरू हो जाएगा, लेकिन अभी वक्त है ऑनरेबल गवर्नर जी का, जो आ चुके हैं इस मैदान में। तो चलते हैं कमेंट्री बॉक्स पे।
धन्यवाद सुप्रिया। मुंबई के एमसीए क्रिकेट ग्राउंड से मैं राजेश कुमार आप सभी का बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन स्वागत करता हूं। टीवी हारेगा देश जीतेगा।
We are having Netas and Abhinetas competition of cricket. Both of them are playing against each other for a great cause, that an awareness has to be created about the tuberculosis. The biggest drawback of or the danger of tuberculosis is that it is the most contagious disease. This has to be eradicated, and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has given a rousing call for eliminating and eradicating the tuberculosis once for all from our country. We are all sure that how we have won the war against polio, like that the war against the tuberculosis is also going to be the most successful mission. And I appreciate both Abhinetas and Netas. By playing together, they are creating the biggest awareness among the whole country that tuberculosis has to be eradicated. We all know that in cricket, the team good on that day will win, but here, whichever team is winning, their win is more than anything else, because here the winner is going to be the awareness what we are creating against the tuberculosis. So I wish you all every success in all your new endeavors, and we must support all the initiative taken by the good people for the good cause. That is my humble request. Thank you. Dhanabad. Jai Bharat. Jai Maharashtra.
टीबी हारेगा देश जीतेगा। टीबी मुक्त भारत अवेयरनेस क्रिकेट मैच।
को हमारे देश से खदेड़ देने का, बाहर निकाल देने का, और उसकी तरफ एक और कदम बढ़ाते हैं। चलते हैं टॉस की तरफ। सारी टीम्स के साथ रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप लाइन अप हो जाएं, और टॉस के लिए दोनों ही कैप्टन यहां से निकल चुके हैं।
हारेगा देश जीतेगा। टीबी मुक्त भारत अवेयरनेस क्रिकेट मैच आज संपन्न हो रही है मुंबई के एमसीए क्रिकेट ग्राउंड पर। दो टीम से एक टीम है नेता 11, दूसरी टीम है अभिनेता 11। टीबी हारेगा देश जीतेगा। समालोचन कक्ष में मेरे साथ है जयंत जी। स्वागत है जयंत जी आपका।
Thank you, Rajesh. It's going to be a great match, a great entertainment for people gathered here playing for a wonderful cause, eradication of tuberculosis from the country. Initiative taken by Anurag Singh Thakur, who is relentlessly pursuing this awareness campaign on tuberculosis eradication. This is the second match being played, and there's a very good crowd here at the MCA Cricket Stadium at BKC, and the two captains are out for the toss, and our commentator colleague Milind Wagle is there with both the captains, Sunil Shetty, the flamboyant debonair, Sunil Shetty leading the side of Abhineta 11, that is the heroes of Mumbai, and Anurag Singh Thakur, yet another multifaceted and multi-talented personality leading the Neta side. Yes, Rajesh, what do you think about this match?
बहुत ही एक्साइटमेंट है यहाँ पर नेता 11 बनाम अभिनेता 11 इन दो टीमों के बीच। अब जो मैच खेला जाएगा वो क्रिकेट का मैच होगा। अनुराग ठाकुर साहब ने कहा था कि दो टीमें हैं, एक मेरी टीम है अभिनेता टीम, एक है सुनील शेट्टी साहब की टीम वो नेता टीम, लेकिन लक्ष्य एक ही है, वो है टीबी को हराना है। टॉस के लिए चलते हैं, दोनों कप्तान तैयार हैं।
Yes, just when before the match and before the toss, we were at the wicket inspecting the pitch. Looks a bouncy wicket, and hopefully the captain who wins the toss, I presume, will elect to field or will insert the other team to bat. We'll have to wait and watch as Milind Wagle is there with the two captains, Sunil Shetty and Anurag Singh, in just about moments before. Yes.
तो चलिए चलते हैं, टॉस होने जा रहा है दो टीमों के बीच। एक टीम है नेता 11, दूसरी टीम है अभिनेता 11। टीम नेता 11 टीम के कप्तान हैं अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर और अभिनेता 11 टीम के कप्तान हैं सुनील शेट्टी। और ये है रंग जो हमें हर हमेशा पसंद है। जी हाँ, ये हमारा तिरंगा है। लगे तो चलते हैं। टॉस होने जा रहा है मिलिंद के पास।
1962 when we had the Chinese invasion, the Latur earthquake, and what do you talk about it? These gentlemen have always stood for a cause out here, the parliamentarians and the film world. We're going to hit the toss now. Remember, the two captains are not bothered who's going to win the toss. They're not who's going to win the match. The coin with Mr. Anurag Singh Thakur. Sunil will call. We've got Jackie Shroff with us and also Anupam Kher. Tails, he says. Oh, it's a long, long way. It's a long, long way. It is heads. Oh. So there you are. If you can come here, sir. Anuragji? Okay. He's won the toss. He's going to tell us later what he's going to do. Sunil, you've lost the toss. You called tails. Does it matter today?
It doesn't. You know why? Because I'm I'm a follower of Rohit. And Rohit has lost 14 tosses in a row, 15 tosses in a row and won. So I think it's just about, and here it's about us beating TB and not each other. So it's just a fun game and we're going to enjoy playing.
You know, I said from 1962, the Chinese invasion, and even before that, Latur earthquakes, Kargil, so many. How do you coordinate with the politicians, the parliamentarians, to make sure that you come on one platform?
I think, you know, it's the initiative that they've taken. Even now, it's Anuragji all the time trying to move to make sure that we do something for the nation. And the beauty is it's an all-party game. It's not a single-party driven thing. So that's why.
Well, I'm not too sure. Oh, there he is. We will, of course, talk with Sunil. You won the toss. What are you going to do first?
I think it's better to bat first, and let's see how it goes.
I just mentioned to Sunil that you go back into history, 1947 to 2025, parliamentarians, politicians, the film world have all stuck together on one platform.
It's for a noble cause. टीबी हारेगा, देश जीतेगा. टीबी को हराएंगे, देश से भगाएंगे. और सुनील अन्ना से जैसे हमने कहा कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी का मैसेज हम जन जन तक पहुंचाएंगे. एक बड़ी ताकत फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की है, पॉलिटिशियंस की है, मीडिया जगत की. हम सबका उपयोग करके ये संदेश जन जन तक पहुंचाएंगे. टीबी हारेगा, देश जीतेगा.
Well, just one question to you, Sunil, very quickly. Yes, the governor is there, so we'll leave them. Good luck to you. So the news from the center is that the Netas 11 have won the toss and they have decided to bat first.
टीबी हारेगा, देश जीतेगा। मुंबई के एमसीए क्रिकेट ग्राउंड पर आज दो टीम्स खेलेगी। एक टीम है नेता 11, दूसरी टीम है अभिनेता 11। तो मैच शुरू होने जा रहा है। चलते हैं पिच रिपोर्टिंग के लिए। वहां पर तैयार है जयंत लैप्सिया।
Undertaken by Anurag Singh Thakur, and this is the second match which is being played here, and we all know that tuberculosis can be really fatal, and this is a good initiative by Anurag Singh Thakur and the India innovative scheme which he has started of pledging that by 2025 he will be able to not sustain and control the spread of tuberculosis and creating awareness. And here we are at the Mumbai Cricket Association ground at BKC, and we have the pitch. Let's see what the pitch holds, and we have the curator of the pitch, the most popular, Nadeem Memon, who has curated so many pitches, test match pitches, one-day pitches at Wankhede Stadium, Brabant Stadium, and well, at the Mumbai Cricket Association. Nadeem ji, बहुत बहुत आपको स्वागत है और बहुत शुक्रिया आप हमारे दूरदर्शन के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं आज।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका और वेलकम टू बीकेसी ग्राउंड। बताइए आज बोलते हैं कि आज फिल्म स्टार वर्सेस नेता लोग का मैच है।
नदीम जी, लुकिंग एट द विकेट हियर, जो ग्राउंड देखते हैं सरफेस थोड़ा ग्रास भी है और यहाँ थोड़ा टफनेस भी है, तो इनिशियली बाउंस होगा।
ये देखो, ये टिपिकल 2020 का विकेट है और मुंबई की जो विकेट्स होते हैं उसमें पहले 5 ओवर 6 ओवर तो जो है वो नया बॉल काम करता ही है, उसमें स्विमिंग होता है, थोड़ा सा बाउंस निकलता है। ये विकेट जो है स्विमिंग विकेट है और ये हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते इसकी बाद में आस्ते आस्ते साइमल्टेनियसली और इट विल बिकम अ वेरी इजी विकेट वेयर यू कैन हैव गुड टू बैट.
The team which wins the toss obviously would like to field first.
Definitely, I think they should field first.
And well, again, telling you about the pitch, we can see the surface very hard, even though there's a bit of grass here. And as Nadeem ji said, the first 5 overs will be very crucial. And the likes of Michael Holding, Jasprit Bumrah and all would love to bowl on this wicket for the initial 5 overs. But we know this match, we know that most of the players are 45 plus. So obviously we can expect some fun and frolic in this.
Yeah, sure. Why not? The thing is that this Mumbai typical wicket, Mumbaikar wickets, you know, definitely there is everything for cricketers like bowlers, batsmen, and definitely we can enjoy a good match today. And the crowd is come. The अपना जो फिल्म स्टार्स जो है, people are come to see. Second thing, नेता लोग जो है, वो सबसे बड़ा है. अनुराग ठाकुर has taken a good initiative. I thank him that at least he has done something for cricket again with Sunil Shetty also here. So these people are come here. Definitely our young school boys are come, especially my Harishil and Gaishil, so schools में बच्चे थे, वो they have come here to encourage them, to cheer them.
So it's going to be a match between the brain people from the parliament and the heart people from the film industry. Because, you know, parliamentarians have a lot of brains. They use their brains to how to govern the governance, and of course the actors act with their heart and soul. So it's great.
दिल और दिमाग का आज
Mukabla hai. And it's going to be a great match. So here at the MCA cricket ground with Nadeem Memon, this is Jayant Lapsia taking you back to the Doordarshan commentators box.
तो ये है उद्घाटन समारोह के मुख्य अतिथि महोदय आदरणीय श्री सीपी राधाकृष्णन साहब, आपके शुभ उपस्थिति में आज उद्घाटन समारोह संपन्न हुआ. 2 टीम्स, नेता 11 बनाम अभिनेता 11. यह है टीम नेता 11. अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर इस टीम के कप्तान हैं. श्रीकांत शिंदे, मनोज तिवारी, दीपेंद्र हुडा, चंद्रशेखर, मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन, देवेश शाक्य, गुरमीत सिंह, कमलेश पासवान, यूसुफ पठान, के राम मोहन नायडू, निशिकांत दुबे, के सुधाकर, लव श्री कृष्णा, राहुल कासवान और राजीव प्रताप. ये टीम है नेता 11. एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन माहौल आप सभी के सामने संपन्न हो रहा है. यह है नेता 11. जी हाँ, अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर टीम के कप्तान, श्रीकांत शिंदे, मनोज तिवारी, दीपेंद्र हुडा, चंद्रशेखर, मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन, गुरमीत सिंह, कमलेश पासवान, यूसुफ पठान, के राम मोहन नायडू, लव श्री कृष्णा जो कि विकेट कीपर है. ये प्लेइंग 11 है नेता 11. एक बेहतरीन टीम आप सभी के सामने आज खेलेगी, बेहतरीन क्रिकेट का जलवा अफरोज करेगी. और ये है अभिनेता 11. सुनील शेट्टी कप्तान है. सोहेल खान, शरद केलकर, राजा भेरवानी, शबीर अहलवालिया, समीर कोचर, नवदीप तोमर, सन्नी, सुदीप किच्छा जो कि विकेट कीपर है, अभिषेक कपूर, मुदस्सिर भट्ट. ये प्लेइंग 11 है अभिनेता 11 की. 2 टीम्स जो कि एक लक्ष्य के लिए खेलेगी. टीबी हारेगा, देश जीतेगा. टीबी मुक्त भारत अवेयरनेस क्रिकेट मैच बहुत ही खूबसूरत माहौल है. चलते हैं अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर साहब. ओवर टू सुप्रिया सिंह.
आज एमसीए क्रिकेट ग्राउंड में टीबीए मुक्त भारत अवेयरनेस क्रिकेट मैच खेला जा रहा है एंड द इनिशिएटिव has been taken by none other than Mr. Anurag Singh Thakur जो भी मेरे साथ हैं. Sir, first of all congratulations on this incredible initiative. And मुझे सबसे पहले आपसे ये पूछना है कि आपके दिमाग में ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया कि क्रिकेट बीइंग इतना पॉपुलर इन इंडिया, इसको ऐसी बीमारी के बारे में अवेयरनेस फैलाने के लिए यूज़ किया जाए.
देखिए, जब भी आपको कोई अवेयरनेस करनी हो तो पहले तो ये देखना है कि सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है. ये 28% दुनिया के जो टीबी के हमारे पेशेंट्स हैं वो भारत में हैं.
हाँ जी.
और भारत का ये जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि हम टीबी को जड़ से ख़त्म करें. और जब प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने कहा कि टीबी को हराना है, भारत को जिताना है, और टीबी मुक्त भारत 2025 में बनाना है। तो हम सांसदों ने मिलकर सोचा क्यों नहीं देश के कोने कोने में जाएं और जो समाज में बहुत बड़ी पहचान रखते हैं, वो या सांसद हैं या फिल्म स्टार हैं या ऐसे लोग जो एक सेलिब्रिटी बन चुके हैं, तो उनके साथ क्या किया जाए। तो हमने कहा क्यों ना क्रिकेट मैच खेला जाए, और क्रिकेट सबसे लोकप्रिय भी है, करोड़ों लोग देखते हैं, मैच भी देखेंगे और संदेश भी जाएगा कि टीबी को हराना है, भारत को जिताना है।
बिल्कुल, ये स्लोगन आपका बहुत ही अच्छा है कि टीबी हारेगा देश जीतेगा। इससे एक चीज़ तो समझ में आती है कि वाकई में आज अगर दो टीम्स खेल रही हैं, अंत में एक अपोनेंट हारेगा, वो है टीबी।
देखिए इस मैच में ये नहीं कौन जीते कौन हारे, आपको पता है पार्लियामेंटेरियंस के पास टाइम तो होता नहीं प्रैक्टिस करने का और करने का। कल भी हमारा सेशन था और सेशन ख़त्म करके रात को आज सुबह सब लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं, लेकिन एक संदेश लेकर आए हैं कि चलिए मिलकर टीबी को हराएंगे। तो मुझे लगता है खिलाड़ी और जो फिल्म स्टार्स इकट्ठे आए हैं, तो भावना पीछे यही है कि हमने टीबी को हराना है, देश जिताना है।
सर, आपने जैसा कहा कि आप के पास सिर्फ आज ही का दिन फ्री है और यहाँ पे सामने होगी आपके मुंबई हीरोज़ की टीम जिन्होंने अभी हाल ही में CCL खेला था, तो आपको लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं उनके पास एडवांटेज है या आपकी भी टीम स्ट्रांग है, अच्छी खासी है?
नहीं, उनके पास बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज है क्योंकि वो रेगुलर खेलते हैं। उनके बहुत सारे खिलाड़ी ऐसे जो रेगुलर क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, आप उनके बैटिंग से देख सकते हो, बॉलिंग से देख सकते हो, फील्डिंग से देख सकते हो। लेकिन हम किसी को यहाँ हराने जिताने नहीं, हम संदेश पहुँचाने आए हैं। संदेश बड़ा है, टीबी हारेगा देश जीतेगा।
नहीं, एब्सोल्युटली। लेकिन आई थिंक जहाँ तक मैच का सवाल है, वहाँ पर जितने भी अभिनेताओं की साइड से मैंने जिनसे पूछा है कि नेताओं की साइड पे उन्हें किससे थोड़ा सावधान रहना पड़ेगा, बहुत सारे लोगों ने अनुराग सर का नाम ही लिया है।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, हम लोग खेल ही नहीं पाते, समय भी नहीं मिलता।
हाँ जी,
लेकिन दमखम दिखाएंगे,
बिल्कुल
पूरी ताकत के साथ खेलेंगे और पूरे टीम शानदार प्रदर्शन यहाँ पे करेगी हमारी।
सर, आपने इतने सारे मैचेस ऑलरेडी कर लिए हैं इस इनिशिएटिव के लिए। एक आखिरी सवाल, उनसे आपको अभी तक किस तरह का इफेक्ट आता हुआ नजर आ रहा है?
देखिए, जब मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस ऑफ व्यूज़ होते हैं, करोड़ों लोग आपको डिजिटल मीडिया से लेके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक प्रिंट मीडिया तक देखते हैं और पीछे पढ़ते हैं कि किस संदेश के लिए सब लोग इकट्ठे आए हैं, तो उसका एक बहुत बड़ा मैसेज आता है। तो यही संतुष्टि मिलती है जब एयरपोर्ट पे जाते हैं तो CISF वाले कहते हैं या लोग आते हैं कि आपने वो मैच खेला था ना टीबी मुक्त के लिए, हमने वो देखा था। तो देखिए, मैच के कारण टीबी से मुक्ति पाने का संदेश चला। जी,
ऑल द बेस्ट सर,
थैंक यू
एंड हैव फन आउट देयर।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
ये थे महाराष्ट्र के CP राधाकृष्णन गवर्नर साहब, मुख्य अतिथि महोदय। जी हाँ, आज आपके शुभ उपस्थिति में उद्घाटन समारोह संपन्न हो चुका है। दो टीम्स तैयार है, एक नेता 11 और दूसरी अभिनेता 11। अभिनेता 11 टीम के कप्तान सुनील शेट्टी और अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर है नेता 11 टीम के कप्तान। नेता 11 अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर टॉस जीता है और पहले बल्लेबाजी करने का फैसला किया है। आदरणीय श्री CP राधाकृष्णन साहब, मुख्य अतिथि महोदय, आज यहाँ पर मौजूद है। आपके शुभ उपस्थिति में अब मैच शुरू होने जा रहा है। इससे पहले हम चलेंगे नेता 11 अभिनेता 11 टीम के कप्तान सुनील शेट्टी के पास। तैयार है वहाँ पर सुप्रिया सिंह।
The captain of the opposite team, the Abhinetas, and someone whose self-professed first love is cricket. Sunil Shetty is here with me. Sunil sir, we just saw you in the nets right now. How strong are you feeling about today's game?
You know, the cause is the strongest. I think we're all excited about the cause, eradication of TB, you know, the myth, the stigma that is attached to it. I think getting rid of that is the first. Of course, I haven't played in 2 years and, I have friends playing in, I won't say the opposition, but teams that are playing together. So you need to be in good nick, at least don't end up looking like a fool wanting to play a sport that you haven't played in a long time.
Right. You mentioned two teams, but I agree with you. I think this is a very unique match because over here you're actually trying to completely eradicate a common enemy, which is TB. How strongly do you feel about this cause, and how happy are you to be associated with it?
Very, very. I'm always excited. I'm a country-centric individual. I love my country and anything to do with the country. And, you know, you'll always see all of us putting our hands up, even before we are asked. Under the guidance, of course, of the Honorable Prime Minister, Anurag ji has taken this initiative to move things forward, which is brilliant. And another thing that is beautiful about this game, everybody talks about the game, talks about Netas versus Abhinetas, but what is most exciting is, even if you see the Netas, they're from all parties. There's not one single party that's not a party agenda to say, you know what, हम हमारी propaganda कर रहे हैं, हम इस party की propaganda कर रहे हैं. They're from all parties, and that's the beauty of this game, that you have netas from all parties and abhinetas from all states that are playing together.
I'm going to come to the sport aspect of the game now, because ultimately it is going to be the netas versus the abhinetas. Whom do the abhinetas identify as a force to reckon with on the neta side?
I think a lot of them. We played with Anurag before. He's brilliant. Yusuf Pathan, of course. They brought the boundaries in. I think I've made sure that it's outside of that BKC for Yusuf Bhai. There's Mohammad Azharuddin, there's Srikanth Shinde, who's also very, very good. And all the others, if you see, you know, it's not, you have this, an image of a neta, kurta, pajama, relaxed, calm, sharp in the mind. A lot of and because we are both in blue, I got the feeling that where is this other actors team practicing? But then I realized they are netas.
Well, so no team which has an obvious advantage today, but if you win the toss, what would you choose to do?
I'm going to quietly ask the neta what they want to do. It's better to be safe than sorry. No, I think we'll bat first.
All right. Well, all the very best and have fun out there.
तो बहुत ही खूबसूरती के साथ यहाँ पर अभिनेता 11 सुनील शेट्टी ने कहा कि भाई हम खेलेंगे, मैच तो जीतेंगे, दिल भी जीतेंगे, लेकिन जो एक लक्ष्य होगा वो होगा टीबी मुक्त भारत. जी हाँ, टीबी मुक्त भारत अवेयरनेस क्रिकेट मैच अब शुरू होने जा रहा है. टीबी हारेगा, देश जीतेगा. मुंबई के एमसीए क्रिकेट ग्राउंड पर अब बहुत ही बेहतरीन माहौल है. टीबी उन्मूलन के लिए सामुदायिक जागरूकता बेहद आवश्यक है. समाज के हर वर्ग को इस अभियान का हिस्सा बनना होगा. हर व्यक्ति की जिम्मेदारी है कि वह टीबी के लक्षणों को पहचाने और दूसरों को इसके प्रति जागरूक करे. यही एक लक्ष्य लेकर हम तैयार हैं. मेरे साथ है जयंत लैप्सिया.
Yes, just before the toss, the tournament, that is this match between Neta 11, Abhineta 11 for the TV Mukt Bharat was inaugurated by the Governor of Maharashtra, Mr. C.P. Radhakrishnan, who is an avid, passionate cricket follower, and he inaugurated this match, and a lot of excitement here. Galaxy of Stars descending here at the MCA ground at BKC, and the crowd swarming all over BKC. Even outside we have thousands of people waiting to have a glimpse of their stars, and those who are lucky have gotten will be waiting. And as my colleague Rajesh told you, that Neta 11 have won the toss. That is Anurag Singh Thakur has won the toss and elected to bat, contrary to expectations when we did the pitch report, that the first 5 to 6 overs, it'll seem, and will be very, very beneficial for the seamers. But nonetheless, Abhineta 11 have got two stalwarts in their side. The cynosure of eyes will be Mohammad Azharuddin and Yusuf Pathan. Of course, the players of great, great international repute and tons of experience behind them. And Anurag Singh Thakur reposing faith in his side, justifiably electing to bat as shadows lengthen here at the BKC's Mumbai Cricket Association ground. The temperatures now lowering down from 32 degrees when we came in, and now it's about 29, we were told, as both the teams about to take. But before that, we have some snippets to show to you. And Rajesh.
तो बहुत अच्छा माहौल है. दोनों टीम्स बिल्कुल तैयार हो रही है. ये देखिए सोहेल, तो अब कन्नड़ सुपरस्टार सुदीप हमारे साथ है, चलते हैं फिर से एक बार सुप्रिया के
Match, but how friendly should we really expect it to be? Because at the end of the day, everyone wants to
I
win,
don't
right?
think game can be friendly, ma'am. I think it's just the approach that can be friendly, the organizing that can be friendly. I think once you come on this side of the ground, I think cricket has to be played the way it has to be played.
Right.
You cannot have a friendly boxing match, can you?
No, not at all.
A friendly wrestling match, a friendly something, no? A friendly kabaddi, no, you can't. Cricket cannot be played like that. We have to play seriously. That's the least respect we can show to the game.
No, absolutely. Which is why I asked.
As long as a friendly atmosphere is there, I think the game is friendly. That's all.
No, I'm sure the friendly atmosphere will be created. From the opposite side, is there any one particular person that you people are looking at as the person who has to be taken down if you're going to defeat them?
I don't know much about the other side. I just know that it's an MP side we're playing. Anurag Singh Thakur sir is here, so it's an honor to be playing. And I know him personally too. So it's a very beautiful thing. So I guess we have to go with the flow. I don't think we know much about the other side.
Right. Just a word about the initiative as well, because it is a very, it's an ideal combination of bringing together cricket to spread awareness about a disease like TB.
See, I guess sports is something that has always brought a lot of people, a lot of hearts together, and a lot of contributions has happened from the sports end, because it is something that happens selflessly. See, even cinema has got an investment. Because I'm from film fraternity, I can talk like that. But we all have our images, everything floating. Game is something we all need to come under one jersey, play under one team, play for a purpose. I think that way it's very good that we are here, and an initiative taken by the MPs, Anurag sir, and everybody. I think it's great, ma'am. It's great to be here.
Well, all the very best and have fun out there today.
Thank you. Karnataka ki namaskara.
तो ये बहुत बेहतरीन ग्राउंड आप देख रहे हैं, एमसीए क्रिकेट ग्राउंड बीकेसी मुंबई, टीबी मुक्त भारत। तो नेता 11 बनाम अभिनेता 11, ये दो टीम्स यहाँ पर। नेता 11 की ये प्लेइंग 11 कप्तान है अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर, श्रीकांत शिंदे, मनोज तिवारी, दीपेंद्र हुडा, चंद्रशेखर, मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन, ये नाम कौन नहीं जानता, गुरमीत सिंह, कमलेश पासवान, यूसुफ पठान, और एक बेहतरीन बैटर है नेता 11 के पास, के राम मोहन नायडू, लव श्री कृष्णा विकेट कीपर। यह है प्लेइंग 11 नेता 11 की।
Abhineta 11 will be captained by Sunil Shetty, Sohail Khan, Sharad Kelkar, Raja Berwani, Shabir Ahluwalia, Samir Kochar, Navdeep Tomar, Sunny Dogalch, Sudeep Kicha, wicket-keeper, Abhishek Kapoor, Mudassir Butt. That's the playing 11 for Abhineta 11, and it will be Abhineta 11 will be fielding, and will be the match about to just get underway as the players warming up, and it's going to be a great fun and frolic here out at the MCA, where the two teams, Neta 11 and Abhineta 11, playing for a wonderful cause, that is TB Mukt Bharat, eradication of tuberculosis, which is a bacterial infection caused by the bacteria Mycobacterium tuberculosis. And unfortunately, India features in amongst the top countries in the world. India, Philippines, China, Indonesia are the countries where tuberculosis is still prevalent in good measure. And the Prime Minister of our country is very keen that just like polio, even the tuberculosis is eradicated, and Anurag Singh Thakur has taken upon himself the mantle of spearheading this movement of creating an awareness of eradicating the tuberculosis by the end of 2025, and in pursuit of his quest to eradicate TB, he has been organizing various such exhibition competitive games to arouse awareness, as we have a galaxy of stars here from the film and also from the bureaucracy, the parliamentarians, all gathered here for a cause. And of course, what a start it is. And to inaugurate, they had the ideal governor of Maharashtra is Milind. Milind tells me India has the highest tuberculosis rate in the world, and it's justifiable that such a cause is being espoused by Anurag Singh Ji Thakur, a very multifaceted and a multi-talented personality is Anurag Singh Ji Thakur, who was also at the time president of the BCCI. He was also the president of the Himachal Cricket Association, has played for Himachal Pradesh in Ranji Trophy, also played for under-19, a cricket player himself, an avid cricketer follower is Anurag Singh Thakur, and he has chosen the right platform for pursuing such a noble cause, because cricket, we know, is virtually a religion in our country, a passionate sport. And Rajesh, after the victory of India in the Champions Trophy, the mercury of the popularity of cricket has gone soaring high, and it's I think ripe time for hosting such a match.
बहुत सही कहा जैन जी आपने, क्योंकि जिस तरह से भारत ने चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में करिश्माई खेल खेला है, अब बिल्कुल ऐसा कहना चाहूँगा कि जो क्रिकेट का बुखार है वो 7वें आसमान पर है। हर कोई क्रिकेट खेलना चाहता है, क्रिकेट देखना चाहता है, क्रिकेट के बारे में ही बातें कर रहा है। पूरी तरह से भारतवर्ष क्रिकेट में माहौल हो चुका है।
Yeah, Rajesh, one more thing. What is very, exciting thing in this match is most of the players are 45 plus. In fact, Sunil Shetty is 60 plus. And the amount of fitness there is immaculate. We saw Sunil Shetty, then his footwork has been quite immaculate. The way he played some shots on the front foot and even went on the back foot looked like he was a regular cricket player. And most of the players from the Abhineta 11, one wouldn't expect them to play that sort of cricket with fundamentals, basic fundamentals in place, but nonetheless they have shown some grit and determination, at least at the nets, and we do expect a good match on hands. Nonetheless, whichever team wins, it's ultimately the cause which is going to win, and the cause is TB Mukt Bharat. That is what they are playing for, that is what the cause is being espoused for, and that is what Anurag Singh Thakur is leading the campaign in the forefront, and the players now retiring and just waiting for the umpires to take on. As we told you, the pitch, very, very well-laid pitch, quite hard. Initial 5 overs will be very juicy and ideal for seamers to exploit their talents here. The in-swingers, out-swingers, and the batsmen will have to be very wary of the seamers. If they are able to see through the first 5-6 overs, I think the pitch will slowly ease out, and scores of 150, Rajesh, I think should be competitive on this wicket.
जी हाँ, यकीनन आपने बहुत सही कहा जयंत जी कि 150 से लेकर 160 जो रन्स होंगे वो एक अच्छा टारगेट होगा, और इसीलिए जो अभिनेता है उन्होंने थोड़ी देर पहले प्रैक्टिस भी की थी। यहाँ पर सुनील शेट्टी अपने सारे खिलाड़ियों को लेकर वहाँ पर अभ्यास कर रहे थे। सोहेल खान जो कि बहुत बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी कर रहे थे, और उनके बल्ले से हमने कुछ ऑफ ड्राइव और ऑन ड्राइव्स भी देखे हैं। तो यकीनन ये कहना चाहूँगा कि इस मैच में जिस तरह से आपने कहा कि हारेगा कोई भी चलेगा, लेकिन जो जीत है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। टीबी हारेगा, देश जीतेगा, वो जो लक्ष्य है उस टारगेट को हमें अचीव करना है।
Yes, Rajesh, and just before the match, as we were talking to some of the film stars and also the Abhinetas and the Netas, some of them really were very keen, and they said they are playing this match, taking it with utmost seriousness, and they will play with keen competitive spirit. It's not that it's going to be some match where it's just going to be an exhibition match, but no, they are going to play with the spirit the game demands, and obviously with the Honorable Governor still being seated here, about to witness the proceedings, as he himself is an avid cricket passionate follower, Governor Honorable C.P. Radhakrishnan ji, who inaugurated this match just a couple of minutes ago. And as Rajesh has been telling you, the Abhineta 11 captain Anurag Singh Thakur won the toss, elected to bat, and we can see the Abhineta, that is the Neta 11, Anurag Singh Thakur, and both the teams still warming up. It's I think another about 2 minutes to go for the match to get underway, waiting for the umpires. Rajesh, shadows lengthening, and I think as shadows lengthen, it will have effect on the swing of the bowlers.
जी अब तक सनलाइट्स में हमने देखा, लेकिन अब फ्लड लाइट्स में मैच शुरू होगा। यह है अंपायर वैभव ढोकरे, और दूसरे आशीष भानुशाली। एक अच्छा अनुभव है, दोनों अंपायर्स बेहतरीन अंपायरिंग करते हैं। बिल्कुल संगीत उत्सव भी चल रहा है मैदान पर और अब बल्लेबाजी के लिए आए हैं आज़ाद और अजहरुद्दीन। एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन बल्लेबाज मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन इस वक्त मैदान पर है। यह आपके स्क्रीन पर 99 टेस्ट मैच खेल चुके हैं, 334 वनडे खेल चुके हैं मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन। 1992, 1996 और 1999 वर्ल्ड कप में टीम के कप्तान रहे हैं जयंत जी।
Yes, we know he has been a very stylish player, Azharuddin. Especially his off drives have been really worth watching, and it's been a long time since we have seen him. And Azharuddin, of course, the crowd here will be expecting some fireworks from Azharuddin, but we'll have to wait and watch. But cricket is such a funny game that the best of batsmen can be out to a nave bowler. So, I mean, we can't say that the Abhineta 11, that is the heroes of Mumbai, will find it tough. We can never say, because talking to Nadeem on this wicket, it's such a deceptive wicket that even players like Azharuddin will have to be careful.
अजहरुद्दीन जब भारत के लिए डेब्यू कर रहे थे तो पहले टेस्ट मैच में उन्होंने सेंचुरी की थी, दूसरे टेस्ट मैच में सेंचुरी की और तीसरे टेस्ट मैच में भी अजहरुद्दीन ने सेंचुरी की। और 1877 से लेकर आज तक क्रिकेट खेला जा रहा है। एक ही ये विश्व का बल्लेबाज है जो कि लगातार 3 सेंचुरी बना चुका है अपने लगातार 3 टेस्ट मैच में।
Yes, with wealth of experience behind him. And of course, this match, as we all know, is being played for a cause. Much of the cause behind the intent of this match between Neta 11 and the Abhineta 11. Neta 11, as we all know, comprises of all the parliamentarians, members of parliament, and the Abhineta 11 is the film stars, the heroes of Mumbai, led by Sunil Shetty, the team owned by Sohail Khan. And as Sohail Khan made a very pertinent point, Rajesh, which really was very appealing, where he said this is going to be a match between the brain and the heart. The brains of the parliamentarians and the heart of the Abhinetas. So we'll have to wait and watch what holds in store. As we all know that Nadeem did mention that the pitch will hold good for seamers in the initial first 5-6 overs. And if the team, the Abhineta 11, are able to make a breakthrough, get a couple of wickets in the first 5-6 overs, it's going to be a keen contest. No doubt the Neta 11 have got a good team. They have good batting lineup. Yusuf Pathan is there, a player who hits towering sixes, known for his prowess in hitting sixes. And I won't be surprised if this Mumbai Cricket Association ground, which is dwarfed by the corporate buildings, and some of the sixes land on the terraces of this building of Yusuf Pathan, but we'll have to wait for that. Still a long time to go, as all the players, both from teams, exchanging pleasantries. Umpires are out there. Rajesh, there's a bonhomie between both the teams, as we seldom see in such matches.
एक बहुत अच्छा मैच यहाँ पर हमें देखने मिलेगा, जबकि भारत के बेहतरीन भूतपूर्व कप्तान और बैटर फ्लिक के लिए जाने जाते थे मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन, जो कि अपना बल्ला लेकर बिल्कुल तैयार है। और अब देखना है कि आज किस तरह से वो अपना बैटिंग परफॉर्मेंस देते हैं। सुनील शेट्टी अपनी टीम के साथ तैयार है। वहाँ पर सोहेल खान, शरद केलकर, राजा भेरवानी, शाबिर, समीर कोचर, नवदीप तोमर, सनी, सुदीप किच्चा जो कि विकेट कीपिंग करेंगे, अभिषेक कपूर और मुदस्सिर भट्ट, ये सारे खिलाड़ी हैं। और अब मैच शुरू होने जा रहा है। वहाँ पर वैभव ढोकरे और आशीष भानुशाली, ये 2 अंपायर है। क्या बात करते होंगे अजहरुद्दीन, जो कि आज नेता है अभिनेता टीम के खिलाड़ियों के साथ?
Yeah, obviously you would be telling them, don't worry, let's play in the competitive spirit, and would be telling them not to get fluttered or flustered by the reputation of Azharuddin as being one of the greatest batsmen, in his time. And well, he's going to open the innings for Neta 11, and couple of formalities just being completed prior to the start of match, and the umpires just waiting for the signal from the official end for the commencement of the match. They have taken, the players have taken their respective positions while waiting for the commencement.
मुझे आज भी याद है जब अजहरुद्दीन साहब भारत के लिए खेला करते थे तो उनकी तुलना ब्रायन लारा के साथ की जाती थी और कहा जाता था कि ब्रायन लारा के साथ अगर कोई बेहतरीन बल्लेबाज है तो वो है भारत का मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन.
Yes, certainly. He had his own time, own wonderful moments in cricket for India. He played, and I especially remember one Ranji Trophy match which he played at Wankhede Stadium, Hyderabad versus Mumbai. Sachin Tendulkar playing that match, and Azharuddin and Mumbai were trailing. I was doing, fortunately, covering that match for AR, and that was a great match where Azhar played memorable innings. And as you rightly said, during his heydays, Azhar played fantastic cricket and very stylish. A debonair of cricketer undoubtedly is Azharuddin. As both just I think moments, we are just moments away from the start, and it looks like it's going to be a spin attack. And we are, of course, we also have with us a veteran commentator, Milind Wagle, with us, most experienced Milind Wagle, from whom you will hear later as Rajesh, the match about to begin looks like, with obviously it's going to be a spin which will be introduced because we see the wicketkeeper Hooda standing well up.
तो अनुकूल वातावरण है अब क्रिकेट के लिए. दो टीम्स, एक टीम है नेता 11 और दूसरी टीम है अभिनेता 11. यहाँ पर चंद्रशेखर और मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन पारी की शुरुआत करने के लिए आए हैं. अवेयरनेस क्रिकेट मैच ये पहला ओवर है और राजा गेंदबाजी के लिए तैयार है. टीबी मुक्त भारत अवेयरनेस क्रिकेट मैच ये पहला ओवर लेकर राजा तैयार है. मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन, ये गेंद डाउन दी लेग थी और इसे ड्राइव करना चाहा था. थोड़ी धीमी गति के साथ ये गेंद की थी और ये गेंद चली गई है फाइन लेग पर. लेग बाइज का इशारा, तो अभी तक बल्ले से कोई संपर्क नहीं. अतिरिक्त रनों के साथ यहां पर रनों का कारोबार शुरू किया है टीम नेता 11 ने. एक अच्छी गेंद, बिल्कुल यहां पर टर्न हमें देखने मिल रहा है. टप्पा खाने के बाद गेंद टर्न हो रही है. अच्छी शुरुआत राजा की.
Yes, he's bowling on the middle and leg stump. I think getting some turn, and as we knew from the beginning that the pitch holds good for the seamers, but nonetheless Raja Bairwani doing a good job floating the ball, and this time comes in and bowls, and once again a better looking ball this time to Chandrasekhar, who plays it once a single, but Azharuddin says nothing doing. And Rajesh, one thing of course, Azhar in his playing days was about 25, 26, maybe 22, and today he is about nearly 50 plus, so getting those cheeky singles is going to be dicey.
कट करने की कोशिश वहां पर की गई थी. सीधी गेंद, क्विकर वन, और विकेट के पीछे बहुत बेहतरीन विकेट कीपिंग सुदीप की. बहुत ही बेहतरीन शुरुआत यहां पर राजा ने की है. स्टंप को पकड़कर गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं राजा.
Yes, and you see wicketkeeper standing well wide outside the off stump. Well, they're playing to a plan, and so far it has been a good start by the Abhineta 11. They've conceded just 2 runs in 5 balls, and it's a packed outside field being set for Raja Bairwani as he comes into bowl from the non-strikers end. 2 for no loss. This time Azhar, and that's a boundary. First boundary from the bat of Azharuddin as he cuts past the third slip region for 4 runs, the first 4 of the innings.
बहुत ही खूबसूरती के साथ चिर परिचित अंदाज में यहाँ पर अजहरुद्दीन ने अपना खाता खोला है। बहुत बढ़िया शॉट खेला, गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा के बाहर। बहुत शानदार गैप ढूंढा और बिल्कुल गली और कवर के बीच में से ये गेंद निकाल दी। 4 रन मिले। अजहरुद्दीन की बेहतरीन शुरुआत।
Glimpses of Azhar's classic batting style, as we told you, plays excellently on the outside. Its cuts is really something which the spectators would love to watch, and that was the first boundary from Azhar. One over gone, 6 for no loss. Neta 11. Chandrasekhar on 1. Mohammad Azharuddin. It's Sharad Kelkar who will be bowling from the non-strikers end. Will be Sharad Kelkar. Chandrasekhar on 1. Mohammad Azharuddin on 4 of 2 deliveries. Neta 11 on 6 for no loss. Outside the off stump. Lucky not to be called wide, as the wicketkeeper Huda does well, collects well, knocks off the bails. Just out of impulsive action, the batsman was well in his crease. No damage done. It's 6 for no loss. This time he cuts and he cuts Sharad Kelkar. He cuts and cuts straight to the fielder at point, not for any runs. So a rather sedate start by the Abhineta 11. This time he bowls and he plays him on the onside for 4 runs. And that was a good looking shot, a confident looking shot over the extra cover for 4 runs. And the first boundary from for Chandrasekhar.
बहुत खूबसूरती के साथ यहाँ पर खेला, बिल्कुल बल्ले के बीचों बीच लेकर ताकत के साथ। बहुत अच्छा कनेक्शन और शानदार यहाँ पर कवर ड्राइव। गेंद चली गई सीमा रेखा के बाहर। 4 रन मिले। तो दोनों बल्लेबाजों ने चित परिचित अंदाज में खेलना शुरू किया है। सबसे पहले जो सी का कॉन्फिडेंस है, आत्मविश्वास है, वो नजर आ रहा है दोनों बल्लेबाजों में। और इस वक्त ये है शानदार ऑन ड्राइव। गेंद जाएगी सीमा रेखा के बाहर। लगातार दूसरी गेंदों पर ये दूसरा चौका। शानदार बल्लेबाजी चंद्रशेखर की।
Yes, what we expected Mohammad Azharuddin to do, Chandrasekhar is doing now. He's on 9 of 8 balls, 14 for no loss. That was a good shot, hiked over the mid-wicket region. No fielder there, straight for 4 runs. Sharad Kelkar it is once again, and this time a rather ambitious-looking shot from Chandrasekhar. Will get a single as the ball goes to the fielder at mid-wicket region, and the scores 14-15 it is for no loss. We are into the second over, 1.5 overs gone. Neta 11, 15 for no loss. Neta 11 having won the toss, deciding to bat, and it will be Mohammad Azharuddin. It will be to face Sharad Kelkar. We have seen the spin attack being deployed from both ends, and this time Azharuddin plays it back to the bowler who fields it, does well to put his right foot to stop the ball. Not much punch in that shot. So at the end of the second over, it's 15 for no loss. Neta 11.
बहुत अच्छी शुरुआत की है चंद्रशेखर और मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन ने। 9 गेंदों का सामना किया है चंद्रशेखर ने और 10 रन बनाए हैं, और अजहरुद्दीन ने 3 गेंदों का सामना किया है, 4 रन बनाए हैं। इस ओवर में 2 चौके आए थे। अपने हाथों को खोलना शुरू किया है चंद्रशेखर ने। 15 रन बनाए हैं टीम ने। नेता 11 बनाम अभिनेता 11 के बीच ये मैच आप सभी के सामने संपन्न हो रहा है। टॉस जीत लिया था नेता 11 टीम के कप्तान अनुराग ठाकुर ने और पहले बल्लेबाजी करने का फैसला किया, और कीर्तिमान बल्लेबाज मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन मैदान पर पारी की शुरुआत करने के लिए आए। 2 ओवर की समाप्ति हो चुकी है, स्कोर हो चुका है 15, और फिर से एक बार गेंदबाजी के लिए आए हैं राजा।
Lovely shot. And that's a catch actually dropped. He's dropped by the fielder at long arm. That was not able to hold on. Batsman get a single. That was a chance for Abhineta 11. What seemed to be a good shot, but the player trying his best, eluding his arm, right hand as he falls to the ground, spills the catch, and that's a life for Chandrasekhar. Neta 11-16. That was a good try, no doubt, by the player.
निश्चित तौर से परिणाम कुछ भी हो, प्रयास बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए, तो वो प्रयास बेहतरीन किया गया था। 16 रन हो चुके हैं और अब तैयार है मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन। राजा की ये गेंद और इसे हल्के हाथों से निकाल दिया है कवर की दिशा पर। सुनील शेट्टी वहां पर मौजूद है और इस बीच पूरा समय था, 1 रन पूरा किया है। तो शांत और संयमी शुरुआत की है मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन ने। एक और चंद्रशेखर है जो कि खुलकर खेल रहे हैं।
But Rajesh, here we have to accept the fact that the players are about 40-45 plus, and for the fielder to have dived and stretched his right hand trying to catch that ball itself was a good attempt. Nonetheless, I mean, he spilled it. You can't say virtually it's a drop catch, but it was good effort, good attempt on the part of the fielder. But the fact remains that no damage done. Neta 11 on 17 without loss. We are into the 3rd over.
नेता क्या नहीं करना पड़ता है नेता को और अभिनेता को, हम निश्चित तौर से इस पर भी चर्चा करेंगे। चलते हैं, यहाँ पर तैयार हो चुके हैं राजा भेरवानी अपनी अगली गेंद लेकर, और उनकी ये गेंद अंदर आई थी, कट करना चाहते थे, भाग्य ने साथ दिया, बाल बचे, ये कहना ज्यादा मुफीद होगा। समझ नहीं पाए, पहले तो कट करने गए, फिर बैकफुट पर आए। बहुत अच्छी गेंदबाजी राजा भेरवानी की।
Spun a yard. That was a very good ball, and that is why we are seeing wicketkeeper, Sika standing so well up and standing wide outside the off stump, and that ball really spun very, very sharply into the batsman.
लगातार ये दूसरी गेंद है। देखिए यहाँ पर चंद्रशेखर को पहले बीट किया और अब मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन है वो भी बीट हो गए। राजा बहुत बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी करते हैं। भारत के लिए हमने ऑफ स्पिनर्स देखे हैं, बहुत सारे स्पिनर्स देखे हैं। सबसे पहले हमने प्रसन्ना साहब को देखा था, फिर हरभजन सिंह बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी करते थे। इस वक्त शानदार खेल दिया है, क्षेत्ररक्षक वहां पर है सुनील शेट्टी, जाने नहीं देंगे। बिल्कुल पूरा इरादा बनाकर मैदान पर आए हैं कि हम हमारे फिजिकल फिटनेस का परिचय देंगे, शानदार फील्डिंग करेंगे। बहुत अच्छा क्रिकेट खेला जा रहा है दो टीमों के बीच। नेता 11 और अभिनेता 11। 19 रन संख्या हो चुकी है 3 ओवर के समाप्ति के बाद।
Just about 6 runs an over is the run rate for Neta 11, and Sunil Shetty does well there to cut off what would have been a certain four. Sunil Shetty, the skipper for Abhineta 11, fully charged up. And one thing, Rajesh, even the Abhineta 11 film stars and the Neta, they are physically fit. I mean, both the teams, we have seen fitness levels being very good.
विकेट कीपर है जो कि स्टंप्स के काफी सटीक है। अजहरुद्दीन बिल्कुल मुआयना करते हुए, और अब आए हैं शरद केलकर। पहला ओवर शरद ने किया है, 9 रन दिए हैं। टीबी मुक्त भारत अवेयरनेस क्रिकेट मैच। शरद केलकर अपने नए ओवर की शुरुआत करते हुए, छोटी गेंद, एलबीडब्ल्यू की अपील। नजदीकी मामला था, नजदीकी मामला था।
That was a very good ball. Actually, the umpire felt that it would be missing the leg stump, but the batsman had absolutely no clue.
काफी खुश है शरद अपनी गेंदबाजी से। गेंद टप्पा खाने के बाद जिस तरह से ड्रिफ्ट हुई और अंदर आई थी, और इस वक्त बहुत बढ़िया खेला है मिसफील्ड। अब गेंद जाएगी सीमा रेखा की ओर, और वहां पर रोका, बहुत अच्छा कवर किया। तो नेता 11 और अभिनेता 11 दोनों टीम्स यहां पर क्रिकेट खेल का बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन कर रही है। स्कोर हो चुका है 21।
As we have been telling you, this match is being played for a cause, a wonderful cause, a noble cause, that is eradication of tuberculosis. And we have Sharat Kelkar here. Full toss to Azhar, and he's not going to spare it. A drive through the extra cover, piercing the field for 4 runs. That was Azharuddin saying thank you very much and executing that one straight for 4.
बिल्कुल जयंत कहना चाहेंगे कि हलवा गेंद थी और जहां पर अपना जलवा पेश किया अजहरुद्दीन ने, शानदार खेल दिया, बहुत बेहतरीन। अब शुरुआत हो चुकी है अजहरुद्दीन की। देखिए बैकफुट पर जाकर निकलना चाहते हैं, नजाकत के साथ खेलना चाहते हैं। पिछली गेंद पर ताकत दिखाई थी मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन, द ग्रेट मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन, भारत के भूतपूर्व कप्तान। 1992, 1996 और 1999 वर्ल्ड कप में भारत के लिए कप्तानी कर चुके हैं। बहुत ही बढ़िया खेलते हुए यहाँ पर मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन।
Sharat Kelkar really bowling well, and both the teams have been playing very well. And what is noteworthy is that Abhineta 11 really playing well, displaying good cricketing prowess. I mean, they are not giving up, considering the fact that the experience and the stature of Mohammad Azharuddin has not disappointed, or rather, there's a good shot, but straight to the fielder. May probably get a single. Yes, Chandrasekhar does. He moves to 12. Neta 11 on 27 for no loss. End of the 4th over. So both the batsmen going hand in hand, 12-13, both of 12 balls.
चंद्रशेखर 12 रनों पर खेल रहे हैं और मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन 13 रनों पर। 4 ओवर्स समाप्त हो चुके हैं, 27 रन। ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ पर बल्लेबाजों को आउट करने के लिए प्रयास किया नहीं किया गया। एक वक्त ऐसा लगा था कि मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन एलबीडब्ल्यू आउट हो जाएंगे। शरद केलकर ने बहुत अच्छी गेंदबाजी की थी।
But Rajesh, had there been a DRS, I'm sure the captain would have gone for a DRS. That was a close call.
बिल्कुल सही कहा जयंत आपने कि वहां पर डीआरएस की जरूरत थी। अगर डीआरएस लेते तो शायद, मैं कह रहा हूं कि नजदीकी मामला था, हो सकता है। पार्टनरशिप देखिए 27 रनों की हो चुकी है और ये है आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय श्री सीपी राधाकृष्णन साहब, आपके शुभ उपस्थिति में उद्घाटन समारोह संपन्न हुआ था। 4 ओवर्स यहाँ पर संपन्न हो चुके हैं और स्कोर हो चुका है बिना किसी नुकसान के 27।
Back out of point, fielder at point, cover, extra cover. That's the offside field for Raja Bairwani. Neta 11, 27 without loss. Good start, and this time he tries to hit, fishing outside the off stump, and Sika does well to collect it. He's standing away from the off stump, just about a couple of feet away from the off stump. A very rare sight in cricket. I've never seen a wicketkeeper standing so away from the wickets. Probably the bowler will be attacking the off, and this time bowls wide. Certainly it's going to be called a wide, and yes, it is a wide ball. The first extras of the innings, Rajesh, first extras.
ये पहला वाइड था, पहली मर्तबा भटकते हुए नजर आए, लेकिन उनकी गेंद में वो स्पिन हमें देखने मिली। वो देखिए ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर टप्पा पड़ने के बाद थोड़ी सी स्पिन हुई थी। टीबी मुक्त भारत के लिए यहाँ पर ये मैच खेला जा रहा है। नेता 11 बनाम अभिनेता 11, 28 रन हो चुके हैं। चंद्रशेखर 12 पर खेल रहे हैं, मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन खेल रहे हैं 13 रनों पर। और देखिए यहाँ पर एक स्लीप, एक थर्ड मैन, एक पॉइंट, एक कवर और एक लॉन्ग ऑफ, ये फील्डिंग सजाई है। ऑफ स्टंप के काफी बाहर फिर से एक बार कट करने गए थे चंद्रशेखर। विकेट कीपर काम अच्छा कर रहा है, लेकिन 2 गेंदें लगातार यहाँ पर जयंत वाइड की गई है।
They are trying to make the batsman play on the offside or lofted shot, because the offside is packed with fielders. But this time straying too wide outside the off stump. And this time the ball turns, and a good turn from the middle and leg stump, turning further away. And the batsman luckily not able to connect, or else it would have gone for a couple of runs here.
राजा बहुत अच्छी वापसी। आपके पास अगर काबिलियत है हुनर है, प्रतिभा है तो इस मैदान पर आप नाच नचवा सकते हो। अच्छा वेरिएशन कर रहे हैं विकेट कीपर सुदीप, बहुत बेहतरीन विकेट कीपिंग कर रहे हैं। वाइड का इशारा किया था। देखिए नेगेटिव गेंदबाजी की जा रही है। पहली 2 गेंदें ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर, फिर 1 गेंद लेग स्टंप पर, और ये गेंद अच्छी थी। विकेट कीपिंग भी बहुत बढ़िया था। बहुत मजा आ रहा है, शानदार क्रिकेट खेला जा रहा है जयंत।
Yes, a slow and steady start, if we can say, considering the fact that Mohammad Azharuddin is there and he's just scored 13 of 12 runs. Raja Berwani to Chandrasekhar, who plays it on the outside, straight to the fielder. Azhar wants a single. I think for quite some time he has been standing at the non-striker's end, and he gets a single. So Mohammad Azharuddin takes a single. I mean, Chandrasekhar takes a single. So both the players on 13, and before Raja Berwani comes in, Milind Wagle will come in place of Rajesh. Once again, the ball pitched on the off, turning into the right-handed batsman, middle stump, and played on the outside, straight to the fielder at extra cover for a single. Welcome, Milind.
Thank you, Jayant. You know what an atmosphere this is, isn't it? Under lights, we all want TB to be eradicated, which is what this entire initiative is. And oh, look at that one! Look at that one! You know, I was a bit surprised. I heard you talking to Nadeem Memon at the time of the toss, and he spoke to us even before that. And he said, if I win the toss, I'd bowl first because there's so much of bounce and movement. But it doesn't seem to have worked at all because they won the toss. They decided to bat first, and they got to 32 from 5. So at this level of the game, you divide 5 by the score out there, 7, an average of 7. Oh, look at that, look at that. I think that would have perhaps got the better of any good batsman, Jay.
Yes, very true. I mean, he's bowling really well. No doubt he's considered a couple of wides, but he's been bowling exceedingly well. So, as you rightly said, Milind, they're playing really well.
You know, the other good thing what I've seen over these last 5 overs is the seriousness. You know, this is being watched by thousands or lakhs of people all over the country. There are spectators here. It is for a noble cause, but it's also a game of cricket at the end of the day. And I think that's one of the reasons as to why you must dish out something good as far as they're concerned. So yes, there you are. He's got a packed field on the out there. He had a square leg which was deep. They've used 2 bowlers so far. 5 overs. Jayant, 2 bowlers they used so far. A change is surely in the offing, isn't it?
Certainly, and both the bowlers have really done well. They've bowled to the field, barring a couple of balls they straight, and well, Azharuddin has been well contained so far by the Abhineta 11. As we see the change in bowling for the first time from the pavilion end. Milind, Azharuddin has been contained well by the bowlers in the first 5 overs we see.
Oh yes, for sure, for sure. But he's not going to keep quiet for a long time, is he? I think he just about heard you. You know, these are intuitions which I think batsmen get when they listen to the commentator saying, oh, ye to nahi maar raha hai. Okay, I'll show it to you.
Very true. And that ball actually was a gift given to Azharuddin. And we can say the Abhineta hospitality at its best because that ball, a lollipop of over-pitch delivery, which was punished and spanked over the extra cover fence for 4 runs by Mohammad Azharuddin.
Saqib is the bowler, the new bowler. The 2 bowlers used earlier on, Sharat Kelkar and Raja Bharwani. The other point about Azharuddin is, you know, he may have put on weight, but the flair, the charisma, the style, and the ability. There you are. That's the one which he played with perfection, didn't he, in his heydays?
That's his patent Azharuddin shot. A slight misfield, but lucky enough not to concede a boundary.
You know, we all know that these actors play regularly. They have the Celebrity League, and I'm told that they've just back from some Celebrity League now. The parliamentarians do not get a chance to do that. And considering that when the two of them are there in the center, you know, it's a pleasant sight to watch.
Yes. In fact, Sunil Shetty owns a cricket team, and that's a lovely shot from Chandrasekhar. Fielder in pursuit between the mid wicket for 4 runs. Chandrasekhar certainly not keeping quiet, undeterred by the reputation of Mohammad Azharuddin. He's going for his shots.
Well, look at that one, overpitched. He wanted to actually drive it into the extra cover region. It doesn't really matter. The thick, it was an intended stroke. It was an intended stroke. And he seems to be an ideal foil for Azharuddin out there.
Yes, certainly. He's taken much of the pressure of Azharuddin, and 41 for no loss. Neta 11, we are into the 6th over. That was a better looking ball. Not giving much room to the batsman. A rather wayward throw from the bowler. And as we see, the players not yet still equipped of backing up for covering the throws.
Yes, this is an expensive over. 10 runs conceded so far, up to 42 without a wicket. We are in the 6th over in the 20 over stipulated match out here. It's a wonderful setting. I've had the privilege, Doordarshan has had the privilege of doing some international matches. The India-West Indies women's series many years back. We've seen a classic Ranji Trophy semi-final between... he nearly got him there. Nearly got him there. 10 years younger, he could have caught him.
Yes, yes, certainly that was a chance. But as we said, we should realize that the players are all 40 plus. And for them to go for such catches, it's really going to be a tall order.
But he's tried to be there. Was shot.
That was difficult. It was shot of the fielder, shot of the bowler.
It was very, very short. Chandrasekhar. Now I think, you know, with both of them getting their eye in, and if you look at, I think, 11 runs conceded in that over, why going for that stroke? You're playing well, you settle there, you want your side to get big runs, you know you're going to be playing against a younger side, more fitter side, get a score of about 200 at this rate, right? 20 into 7 is what? 140. So I would say about 100. That's
yeah,
right.
So 7. But the ideal score for a good contest would be around 150, 170. But as you rightly said, they have a capability of going up to 200. I mean, if they play more sensibly.
One thing is certain on the lighter side. So the two not-out batsmen, starting off with Mohammad Azharuddin and Chandrasekhar. To follow would be Anurag Singh Thakur as per the batting order given to us. Shrikant Shinde, the Member of Parliament from Mumbai, is slated to come in at number 4. I saw him batting in the nets. He looked quite severe in his batting.
At nets, we saw even the Abhineta 11 players playing, and they were playing quite well with good fundamentals, basic fundamentals.
Jayant, tomorrow morning the Massey's table will be in demand. You think so?
Yes, certainly. You are absolutely right. The way these people have, practiced for this match, it shows the commitment. They're playing for a cause, eradication of tuberculosis in the country.
The actors in particular were here at 3:30 in the afternoon. They were scheduled to come. Oh, there's Yusuf Pathan playing for the Netas 11. He's a member of parliament from West Bengal. And the place is Baharampur. Azharuddin, the other cricketer. And look at the seriousness there. Setting the field, making sure you plug the gaps. You know, it's not that you've gone there, chalo ya, fielding tum kahin bhi khade reh jao. That's not the attitude. And I think when you have seriousness of that nature, the game becomes that much more richer.
Certainly, Milind, undoubtedly. each and every player in the Abhineta 11. There's that intense seriousness you can make out. And the other players who are not there in the playing 11, they are so much involved in the game. They are cheering their team up. Just, couple of chances which went a begging. But as we said, age is against them, but that was good attempt from them.
Sohail Khan there, the captain for the fielding side. It's Sunil Shetty actually. We haven't seen him out here. Darshan, the next of the bowlers. I suspect that there could be a bowling change. They would have to rotate the bowlers. Oh, here comes the big man. I watched his film last night.
Yes.
I watched his film last night. Ek Din Ka Justice, that was the film. And what an actor he is. What an actor. I was...
Anupam Kher it is who will be bowling from the non-strikers end. And we'll see Anupam Kher is a fantastic actor par excellence, but his skills, whether he'll be able to exhibit his skills on this ground, whether he'll be able to rattle the batsmen out there who seem to be well set.
I think he seems to be telling the fielders out there, yaar, mere liye to catch le lena. He's certainly a big actor there. I love these histrionics from these actors. It makes the evening so much more colorful. It's a Saturday evening, and I'm sure people would stay back home to watch this telecast.
Certainly, there's a carnival. There's a carnival here at the MCA, and well spread out field for Anupam Kher. And we'll have to see. And yes, this time balls to Mohammad Azharuddin, who pulls him on the onside to the long on region, gets a single.
You know, Jayant, these lollipops as we watch are the most dangerous deliveries that you can always get.
Very deceptive in nature.
So as I said, the two umpires there. This is Vaibhav Dhokre. Oh, he's used the width there. He's used the width. Lucky. And it speeds away. Chandrasekhar seems to be in full cry, Jayant.
Yes, I mean, he's not being subdued. He's going for his shots and realizes that they have to step on the gas and accelerate to reach that target of 200, which they have to give the fielding side.
Finding the gap to perfection. Valiant chase. So the two batsmen there, Azharuddin and Chandrasekhar, seem to be telling each other, "Tu aage jayega, I'll come and catch up with you."
Exactly, looks like hardly any difference between the number of balls also they faced.
5 in this over. Well, that could be a wide or should be a wide for sure. Well, there's nothing wrong. I think it's a fun game. There is seriousness. Give it to someone with a personality like Anupam Kher. Make the crowd a little more happy, because the cause is more important today. Who wins or not? There is seriousness. Who wins is not important. There is only one enemy. You have emphasized that there's only one enemy.
Yeah, that's TB, the eradication of tuberculosis, and that's the dream of the Neta 11. As Azharuddin, it will be facing Anupam Kher. Pitched wide outside the leg stump, and Azhar really not wasting a moment, just playing it over the wicketkeeper for 4 runs. So that's a good particular, that's a lovely shot. Azhar moves to 25. So this over proving to be a little costly for, and once again wide outside the off stump. But Azhar plays it. Normal course, the batsman would have left it for a wide ball, but Azhar doesn't. Plays it on the offside, straight to the fielder, Raja Bairwani. This was a better looking ball, pitched on the leg and middle stump to the right-handed Mohammad Azharuddin. plays it on the leg side to the square leg region. Gets a single, moves to 22. So 55, and we are into the 7th over.
So this is surely a over which the fielding side will want to forget as quickly as possible, particularly after the even the bowler before this, Sakib, came in for 11 runs. So the game has shifted suddenly. You did mention that they had held them on a leash, and now see what's happening. First 6 of the match. Oh, what a 6 that is by Chandrasekhar. I'm sure he played a lot of cricket in his younger days.
That was a huge 6 by Chandrasekhar. Belting Anupam Kher, who actually dishes. Anupam Kher, in a gesture, humorous gesture, takes the bat, sort of telling Chandrasekhar, hey man, what are you doing? I'll whack you. Just in light vein.
You remember that duel between Dennis Lilly and Javed Miandad?
Yes, certainly. But this is more of a fun that these two playing, and Anupam Kher conceding, I think, too many runs in his over this time.
Well, I think what you're saying is absolutely right. These actors need to show everyone what humor is all about. We've got many celebrities who have trooped in here. You know, the other point, Jayant, I'd like to make to you is that a lot of the celebrities, Saturday evenings, shooting, partying, going around to meeting friends. This is one day they must have said, society first, nation first.
Very true. That's a great sacrifice they're doing. Berwani 3 overs, 13 runs. Sharat Kelkar 2 overs, 17 runs. Anupam Kher, quite damaging, 1 over 19 runs. That's quite a bit.
So there have been 9 dot balls in 3 overs from Raja Barwani. This is the Bandra Kurla complex from where we are coming to you live in Mumbai. If you've never been to Mumbai, the Mahim Causeway is not very far away. The Sea Link is close by, and it's a carnival atmosphere here at the Mumbai Cricket Association's Bandra Kurla complex venue. And what a venue this is under lights.
A corporate hub, as this cricket ground is dwarfed by corporate buildings, skyscrapers virtually dwarfing this cricket ground at Bandra Kurla complex, the Mumbai Cricket Association ground. Yes, and we see a well spread out field for Sakib, it will be bowling, changing ends. Sakib will be changing ends, and Sunil Shetty is gone in, and we see Sika deputizing, looks like, for Sunil Shetty. He's not to be seen on the field.
We had Sohail Khan deputizing earlier on. So you got Sakib back, none for 11. The end change, sometimes that can do the wonders for you when you change ends.
Yes, certainly. A good crowd gathered here at the Mumbai Cricket Association grounds at Bandra Kurla Complex, Mumbai, as Sakib bowls. And that bad looking ball. A loud shout. The bowler and the wicketkeeper quite. And Sakib says he wants a review. That looked very close. Ball pitched on the off and middle stump. And of course, there is no DRS. That was a very, very close call because the wicketkeeper and the bowler were certainly confident, and with conviction they appealed, but fell on deaf ears.
The run rate at 8.86 before the start of this over. So if you really go now, with the score being doubled in the last 5 or 6 overs, they should be, if these two stay there, then we should be looking at 170, 180.
Yes.
I'm going to get you in another point. Do you think, oh, what a wonderful stroke. He rose, stood tall. Azharuddin, Sandeep Patil played that stroke so well. The question is, as we watch that once again from Azharuddin, spanked it, and then said, yes, come along, my dear friend. Chandrasekhar, you're doing well. You think the the batting captain Anurag would turn around and tell Azharuddin and Chandrasekhar, can we please get you back in the dressing room? We want the others to bat
Yes,
as well.
looks like the way they are playing, it won't be much too long before Anurag tells them, hey buddies, give others a chance. Because Azharuddin had two close shaves, two confident appeals being turned down. And had there been DRS, I'm certain both would have been taken. Of course, the decision, one doesn't know which way. But from here, it looked very close.
So Saqib Salim, he's bowled his spell well now. I did mention to you that the change of end might work for him. He's considered a single of 4, 3 dot balls. And oh, he's gone again. No, he's not. Third last chance. Oh, that was the first for Chandrasekhar. They say lightning strikes, but this time lightning has not struck the batting side. Huge chance there. Should have been taken. He had to run a wee bit to his left. There he goes. There he goes. Doesn't cup it. Giant.
That was a fairly easy chance, which was spilled by Saqib. End of 8 overs, 63 without loss. Neta 11. We are witnessing the match between Neta 11 and Abhineta 11 at the BKC's Mumbai Cricket Association grounds, playing for a cause. TB Mukt Bharat, eradicate tuberculosis. That's the mantra of Anurag Singh Thakur.
You know, the place where I stayed, Boiwada and Parel, the TB hospital is just about 500 meters from my house, and I didn't even realize that TB is such a dreaded disease. It's a good learning today with this initiative.
It's a bacteria which is Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which affects the lungs, and also it affects the spine, the liver, the kidneys, and the brain. It can be cured, but if left unattended, it can be fatal.
So we are all here for this cause, and it's time for me now. We will continue to alternate in the commentary box out here. We are enjoying the fun. Giant Lapsa continues to stay there, but joining him after getting us some wonderful snacks from the other side out here is our good friend, Inspector Monty Khopkar.
धन्यवाद मिलिंद। बहुत बेहतरीन मैच यहाँ पर संपन्न हो रहा है और यह है अनुपम खेर जो कि गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं। और जिस तरह से जयंत आपने फिटनेस के बारे में कहा, तो अनुपम खेर भी अपने फिटनेस का बहुत अच्छा परिचय दे रहे हैं। 63 लेग स्टंप के काफी बाहर और इसे खेलने का प्रयास किया था, एक जोरदार हिट करने का प्रयास किया था, वाइड का इशारा अब जाकर हो रहा है। तो 8 ओवर्स यहां पर समाप्त हो चुके हैं और नेता 11 टीम की रन संख्या बिना किसी नुकसान के 65। मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन जो कि खेल रहे हैं 27 रनों पर 23 गेंदों का सामना किया है और चंद्रशेखर ने अच्छी पारी संभाली 28। बहुत अच्छा शॉट खेला है चंद्रशेखर ने और बेहतरीन फील्डिंग, बिल्कुल सीमा रेखा पर, वहां पर बहुत ही शानदार फील्डिंग। इतनी सुंदर फील्डिंग करने के लिए आपको बहुत ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस की जरूरत होती है। आगे निकल कर आए, ड्राइव किया, गेंद जाएगी सीमा रेखा के बाहर। मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन अपने बल्लेबाजी का जलवा अफरोज करते हुए बहुत ही खूबसूरती के साथ कदमों का इस्तेमाल, बेहतरीन फुटवर्क, बॉटम हैंड के साथ इस गेंद को खेल दिया था। इंतजार करते हैं गेंद का मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन और फिर जाकर अपने शॉट को बनाते हैं।
Yes, that was a very good shot, and actually what Abhineta 11 captain is saying is that to allow Anupam K to bowl those lollipops and make the batsman commit an error of playing a lofted shot straight into the hands of the fielder. The first shot fell just little, about yards away from the fielder at deep mid-wicket. Otherwise, he could have been caught. Chandrasekhar is going to face. He's on 29, 71. Well spread outfield, and this time once again a lofted shot. And he's out. Chandrasekhar is out, and just as I told you, The idea is Anupam Kher picks up his first wicket. The idea is he bowls a lollipop, entices the batsman to play the shot, lofted shot, which Chandrasekhar did. Hold out to the player at the longest mid-wicket region and was caught. So the first wicket goes off Abhineta 11, and that's a good breakthrough. Good breakthrough, Rajesh.
बहुत बहुत बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी वहां पर अनुपम खेर की। गेंद धीमी की थी और इसे सीमा रेखा के बाहर भेजने का जो इरादा था चंद्रशेखर का, देखिए बहुत अच्छी एक्शन, एक सीधी गेंद और इसे बहुत बढ़िया खेला था। एलिवेशन ज्यादा दे बैठे और कोई गलती नहीं की। शानदार कैच वहां पर, काफी अच्छा प्रदर्शन